Good morning, students. Today we will continue this chapter, soil erosion. Soil is a natural resource that is found on the crust of the earth. Plants take root in the soil. We build houses and factories on land. We also grow crops on soil. The top layer of soil gets washed away by flowing water or blown away by strong winds. By riversides, we often see river banks being washed away by the water. The loss of soil is known as soil erosion. The roots of trees hold the soil together. When trees are cut down, the rate of soil erosion increases. This loss of soil is the loss of an important natural resource. Although it can be stopped, measures can be taken to check erosion. Such measures are known as steps for soil conservation. Soil conservation. A green cover holds the topsoil together from being washed away. Planting of trees and grass to cover barren grounds helps conserve the soil. The current of water in a river keeps on eroding its banks. This washes away rich fertile soil. The construction of bunds or embankments keep a river in check. During floods, even when the level of water rises, the bunds prevents it from washing away soil or damaging the crops being grown by the river. We know that the soil gets nourished by rotting plant and vegetable matter. This helps the crops to grow better. Growing the same crops over and over again takes away the nourishment from the soil. Crop rotation or the growing of different crops in different seasons helps conserve the nourishment in the soil. On hillsides, water flows down at greater speed, washing off more soil than in plains. This is why during monsoon, landslides are very common in the hills. Terrace farming slows down the flow of water and thus the erosion of soil. The digging of furrows also helps in preventing erosion by redirecting the direction of conservation of forests. Forests are very important natural resource in our environment. The plant life in forests helps purify the air and also brings rains. Forests provide us with wood, rubber, gum and many other useful things. Forests are the home of many wild animals. The trees of forests are cut down to serve our needs. Cleaning of forest land allows us to grow crops, build townships and industries. Wood from trees is used to make furniture and as fuel. This decrease of forest or deforestation is damaging our environment. Deforestation also results in greater soil erosion. Everyone needs to be made aware of the need for the conservation of forest. Afforestation or the planting of new trees should be done to restore forest. Measures should be taken to prevent and fight forest fires. If left unchecked, such wildfires can burn down huge areas of forest land. We should not encroach into forests for agriculture or building purpose. Conservation of wildlife. Forests are the natural habitat of variety of wild animals. If we take away these animals' homes, where will they live? What will they eat? Protecting forests indirectly protects wildlife. Killing of animals like crocodile and deer for their skin is against the law. People have to understand that even wild animals need to be well. Wild animals have a right to all the resources in their environment. So student, the loss of top layer of soil by action of wind or by flowing of water is called soil erosion. This soil erosion can be prevented by such steps. Making bunds or embankment the bank of a river to check the soil erosion. This bund prevents this soil erosion during floods. Next, the process of crop rotation farming also helps to growing same crops over and over takes the nutrition from the soil. Terrace farming, this is Picture of terrace farming. Terrace farming helps to prevent soil erosion. On hills, water flows speedily. Because of these steps, the speed of water reduces and it reduces the soil erosion. Conservation of forests. We should conserve our because forests give us many things. It helps to purify the air. It brings rain. We get many things like wood, rubber, gum, many other useful things. Most of the time people uses the area of forest to make industries or big buildings. Sometimes forest fire burns down the whole area or large area of the forest. So this damages the forest. We should check the conservation of wildlife. We should conserve the wildlife because they are the elements of our environment. They balances our nature. Killing animals like crocodile is a crime now, so we should not do it. We should take care of the wildlife. They also have a right to have all the natural resources from the environment. So read this very carefully. Look, this is the homework for you. Question number C and D from question number 1. Student, look, I have written the answers here. So read this and remember this, then do it in your copy. Okay? Hope today's topic is clear. See you in the next class. Bye bye, students.